coming into land into Yangon, Myanmar. See a lot of farmland out there. Some of the fields are irrigated and the others are growing crops. Yangon in Myanmar, formerly called Burma. It's a Buddhist country, got a lot of Buddhist temples. That's Jetstar Asia airline coming here. Very rural kind of place for a capital city. Explora, farmland. Nice houses there. Welcome to Yangon, Myanmar. This Jetstar Airbus A320.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Myanmar. The local time is 10:05 in the morning and the temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Take care when opening the overhead compartments as your baggage may have moved during the flight. If your mobile phone or portable electronic device is within reach, you may now switch it on. However, your seatbelt must remain fastened to pay attention to all announcements even while you use your devices. Today we'll be using the forward door to disembark. On behalf of Captain Roy Agarado, First Officer Victor and the rest of the crew, thank you for choosing to fly with Jetstar. It's been a pleasure having you with us today and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you and goodbye.
Dear Natamashi, Shangliha, Yaku, Yangon Pisaya, they do sit again to buy. They got the Nochima, Manet.
Sitting at the back of the plane was the only place I get a window seat. There's about 150 people on this plane, so I have to leg it to the customs, which is bound to be very slow. Singapore Airlines fly here as well.
တို့နိုင်ငံကူးလက်မှတ်များလေးကိုဒီလိုတွေတပါလဲဆောင်သွားကြပါရဲ့မြတ်တရားခါပါတယ်ရှင် Jetstar လေးကြောင်းလိုက်ခီးစဉ်ဖြင့်စီးနှင်းလိုက်ပါလာတော့ခီးစဉ်များကို
Now why didn't I fly Singapore?
ဒီကွာလေမောင်မယ်များမှာအထူးပဲကျေးဇူးတင်ရှိပါတယ်ရှင်ကြာခင်မှာပဲထပ်မံတွေ့ဆုံဖို့လဲမျှော်လင့်ပါတယ်ရှင်ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်ရှင်
Cubs. Alright, see you when we get to the hotel. Alright, bye.